ready to unlock a world of entertainment on your Firestick. Today, we're showing you how to install Magis TV in minutes. First, go to your Firestick's home screen and select Settings. It's the little gear icon. Scroll to the right and select My Fire TV. Now, find Developer Options and select it. If you don't see Developer Options, go to About, select it, then rapidly click on your Firestick device 7 times. This will enable Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, make sure Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. If it's off, click it to enable it. This allows you to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Next, we need a tool to download the Magis TV APK file. Go back to the Firestick home screen and search for Downloader in the search bar. Install the Downloader app. It looks like an orange arrow pointing downwards. Open the Downloader app in the URL field. Type in the exact address where you can find the Magis TV app file. Pause momentarily to allow viewers to write down the made-up URL. Let's use Tinrocom Magis download. Click Go. Downloader will now download the APK file. Once the download is complete, an installation prompt will appear. Select Install. After the installation is complete, click Open to launch Magis TV, and that's it. You've successfully installed Magis TV on your Firestick. Enjoy your new entertainment options. Don't forget like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.